Hey guys, Michael here with the West Texas Hunting Guys. Just wanted to review a KUIU rain jacket that I've got for some of my hunting gear. It's the KUIU Northridge jacket. This is in the olive color. If you can tell, it's got the hood on here. Really, it's been a good jacket so far. I've only had to wear it on one hunt, or I've only gotten to wear it on one hunt. But it is a waterproof jacket. Really great zippers. Again, waterproof material, so you're going to find it's a little more loud, but I found that the material is really flexible, really nice, and not nearly as loud as I thought it was going to be. In fact, the hunt that I wore it on, we were supposed to get some adverse weather, so I put it on as an outer layer over several of my other jackets, actually on the outside of this Rubicon jacket, and wore it through an entire bird hunt and didn't feel like I was too loud to get up and move around or anything like that. So for it being a rain jacket, I didn't feel like it was like a lot of the other rain jackets that I've had. Really great zippers. Everything is rubber coated and waterproof, so once it's sealed tight. It's got pockets on both sides, and then of course a phone pocket or you know, another chest pocket up here if that's what you need it for. Like I said, it's been a real helpful jacket for me. Really liked it. It is waterproof. I've worn it in one rainstorm outside of a hunt, and it worked great. Similar to the Rubicon jacket, I think the fit is real nice and slimming. Again, I wore it over probably 4 other layers, including an ultra down on the inside, and didn't feel like I was too bulky or too stiff to move around. So flexible material. It's their Torre fabric again, so stretchy. The sleeves are a little bit long. This is a size large. Sleeves run seems to be a little bit long, but so far with my KUIU gear, I've liked the length of the sleeves run a little bit long. I don't know if I've got longer arms or I like the way that it fits with my gloves, but it's been a really nice jacket to have. So if you're interested in looking for a rain jacket, I think this is a good one to make a run at. Hood is the same as all the other jackets with some peripheral vision cutouts. So feel free to message us and ask us any questions about it. Share some of the equipment that you've got that you've liked. But we're just glad to be here and share some of the things that we've had good experiences with and let you guys know. So if you haven't subscribed to us, subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram as well, at West Texas Hunting Guys. Look forward to talking to you guys again soon. Thanks.